can you form a positive relationship with a student?
It depends on the student. What I would do is to take an active interest in what the student is interested in. For example, I would play with a student with what he or she would prefer to play with. If a student is shy and scared of me, which has happened, I will let that student see that I'm not scary by playing with other students, and in turn that would convince them that they are able to play with me. It takes different students different amounts of time to get to a stage where they feel they have a good relationship with them. Those are the two general ways.
And how can you be sure that children know the concept that you are teaching?
Aside from reviewing at the end of a class, or at the end of a day, or the end of a week, I will test them as we go. So I will, if I'm teaching them a concept, for example, something as simple as 1 to 10, I will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. And if the students find that hilarious, or they shout, "No, no, no, teacher," then I know they understand that the last number should be 10. But you can do that in any scenario. If you purposefully make it just a little bit wrong, and you get the students to correct you.
And how do you manage your classroom effectively and positively?
Very well done. I have a very strict schedule and routine. That is the only way. So children thrive off routine. My morning classes will always follow the same routine, and that will make students much more comfortable, and there'll be much less confusion for them. And it puts me at ease as well. It means I know what's coming next. I can manage the time effectively. If you're chaotic, classroom management doesn't work.
And how do you motivate children?
I like to use songs. Say if the children are doing something that they don't necessarily want to do and they'd rather be doing something else, generally what they'd rather be doing is singing. So I'll say first this, and then we can do some singing. It's important that they know that first we are doing this thing, and then we're doing that. Also, I like to incorporate songs or dancing or movement in any other activity, so they can really get into it.
And how do you choose appropriate material and activities?
Well, for that, it's an interesting one. I like to experiment with what I introduce with them, see what works and see what doesn't work. If something does work, I will roll with that and use that more and more and build on it. And I like to try and challenge them. If something's too challenging, then I'll bring it back, and I can generally, depending on the group of students, I can find the perfect difficulty level and how appropriate it is.
Thank you very much, teacher.
No problem. Thank you, 老师。谢谢。